In this video, you learn how to make 1 to 2k daily. Go to your Chrome browser, type in nairaworkers.com, then log in and make sure you register. I've already registered my own, so here is the platform, how it looks like. So that's my username, email. Make sure when you log in, you register, fill all the form that they say you should fill and submit it. Then you will be successful register. So here what they do, you perform a simple task and earn money. Yes, that's what they do. You perform a task daily and you earn money. So click on job. These are the available jobs that you can do. These are the available jobs, the tasks that you can do and you get paid. They have a lot of jobs. The one you can do, you do it. The more effort you put, the more money you will make in this platform. Here is it. So what you do to make 1 to 2k daily, go to highest paying, click on highest paying job, do the task that they say you should do. You view the job and you see what they will ask you to do, then you click on it and do it and wait for your money to drop in your platform so that you can transfer it to your bank account. Yeah, make sure you go to your profile, you set up your profile, put your name, your account number. Very important, put your account number in it, because that's the account number that they will pay your money into. Go to your profile, fill out your profile very well. Don't forget to add your account number. Yeah, very important. So this site can pay you 1k to 2k daily, depending on how you work on it. The daily task that you can make a little money, like 1,000, 2,000 from it in this website. So guys, go and register in this website and start earning 1 to 2k daily if it's not too small for you. Yes, if it's 1,000 to 2,000 is not too small for you, I will drop a link in this video. Go and click on the link and sign up and register and start making 1,000 to 2,000 daily. Thank you guys.